I just want to say thank you, everybody who is supporting me for everything that I endeavoring for myself to my success. Thank you so much, guys. You are standing in my presence to supporting me for everything that I do. Even if sometimes my facing difficulties for criticism and problems and people fighting me for no reason, for the jealousy of themselves, you're still sticking to me, to standing for me, to supporting me. I just want to say God bless you for everything you are doing to me, for myself. It's not easy or to go so many propagandas and challenging